Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze gold, weekly analyze for your gold trading next week. So last week my gold weekly forecast I was mentioned gold will reach 2040-50 level. So that's the accuracy of my gold trading analysis. Gold has reached 2060 last week. So that's the accuracy of my gold trading analysis. So my telegram link is below for accurate gold signal. So if you didn't watch my last week video, go to my YouTube channel and watch that video. So I am going to the weekly gold chart. So you can see this is all-time high. Gold has reached 2000. This is 2020 August. Gold reached 2020, and this was happened last week 2022. Gold reached 2070 level. That is this year May, this year. So 2023 April May gold reached 2070. So that is the highest levels in gold now. So you can see the weekly chart. So I moved to the daily chart. You can see the technical picture. So gold is ranging, this type of candle pattern is going on, and the huge gold dropped yesterday, like 500 pips gold dropped yesterday. That was the happen. US dollar positive for non-farm employment change data was positive for US dollar. That was the reason gold dropped to the below side last Friday yesterday. So I am moved to the economic data. So what will going on for next week for your gold trading? So this is the Forex live was mentioned. US stock indices trading higher after jobs report. So yesterday, last Friday, was released non-employment change data that was positive for US dollars. Of Fed American Central Bank is expected forecast 181k, but actual figure was 243k. That's the positive figure for US dollar. And also unemployment rate dropped to the 3.4. That's the Fed forecast 3.6, but dropped to 3.4. That's also US dollar positive labor data, and average hourly earnings is also increased. Thus labor data shows the positive for US dollar. So that was the reason gold dropped to below side last Friday. So economic data is a very important regarding US dollar. You are trading gold. Economic data is the very big volatile events and very important. So if you touch with these economic data, you regarding US dollar if you are trading gold. So next week Wednesday, so 10th May, that's the huge volatile economic data event. That was the US dollar CPI data, consumer price index data, inflation data will be released next week Wednesday. That's it, the next week high volatile economic data you will touch with this. So 5% is the previous figure forecast. Fed the Reserve American Central Bank is forecast, so figure is 5%. So actual figure is very important for US dollar and the gold trading. So you will touch with economic event next week is that's the volatile economic events, that the CPI data inflation report will be released next weeks. That's the economic event, economic data next week. So I am live to going gold chart technical analysis for your next week gold trading. So I am moved to the 4-hour chart. So I am moved to the line chart also. So you can see the left side this resistance. So this is the resistance. It will be supported in here. So this resistance will be supported in here, and simple technical pattern is continuing is the rally, base, rally, and price drop to the below side and will be continue to the high, but I am forecasting that's the not created price high because of labor data was positive, US dollar non-farm employment change and unemployment rate is positive. The price was not continue to the create higher like this and continue to higher and drop to the below. That's the I am forecasting goal next week. That's the sell opportunity in next week your goal trade. So my target is 1980 is my first target and continue to the high but not continue to the high and drop to the below side. So that's the my forecast, that's the my analysis goal next week your sell opportunity in gold trading 1980 is the my first target is goal is reached next week. So that's the next week analysis for you can get the money management well at the get the trade from the smaller time frames confirmation as well. For accurate goal analysis and signals in my telegram link is below, you can join with it for. So that's the next week technical and fundamental picture for gold. So I am forecasting gold drop to the below level for next week. So thank you very much.